Yahoo! I'm fine, and you? Oh, you are fine, Granny. What up, YouTube? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to T Llama Vision. We're back. Listen up. Hey, look, we got Zelda Link's Awakening. I liking the designs here, people. So we're gonna open this up. The amount of money they spend on packaging these days, let me tell you. Oh, fuck. Back. Alright. Here we go. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. Let's take a look. Got the front, the back. Very nice. Alright, yo. Welcome to the YouTube channel. It's T Llama in the house, in the building, in the orifice, in the what have you. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I want to show you guys. It's getting first day of fall's on Monday, guys, so gotta be wearing the pumpkin spice socks. Anyways, we're here. We're doing the YouTube channel. We bought Link's Awakening just this afternoon after the old Friday grind, and we're getting into it right now. I never played the original Link's Awakening, for your informations. I think it was for a Game Boy. I don't know. Never had the game, so we're starting it here. This look pretty. I love the animations that they did for this game. I knew I was because I saw the promotions for it and everything. But they just look like little toys. They're so little cute. Oh my goodness. Wake up. Is that gonna be like a giant Yoshi? I don't know. Don't spoil it in the comments. Do not comment below what the egg is gonna be. Is that gonna be a giant Yoshi? Don't tell me. Don't tell me. I don't wanna know. I don't wanna know. Don't tell me. Guys, very exciting stuff. We're gonna get right into this. We're gonna get into Luigi's Mansion, Mario and Sonic at the Olympics, Pokemon Sword and Shield. We're gonna get into Animal Crossing. I wanna get into like some GoPro stuff like we did with the rugby, some skiing stuff. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be a good welcome back to the YouTube channel. I don't know. I just wanna get back into it. We're gonna do We're gonna do the classic difficulty. Oh, and today was the Area 51 raids. Oh, they won't let me do alien cheeks. What a relief. I thought you'd never wake up. You were tossing and turning. What? Zelda? No. My name's Marin. You must still be feeling a little woozy. You are on Koholint Island? Let me know below if I'm saying that right. Koholint Island? Follow the lane south to reach the beach where I found you. Since you was washed ashore, lots of nasty monsters have been in the area, so be careful, okay? What's this guy? Mario? Nah. Terran. Well, T-Llama, you finally snapped out of it. My name's Terran. Hope you're feeling better. What? How did I know your name? You think it's weird, eh? Well, I saw it on the back of this shield. Damn, that was quick. Get the shield. Ooh, gotta upgrade the strength levels, my boys. Oi! Alright. So in the old Zelda games, you could like fuck with the chickens and then like a horde of chickens would attack you. Is that the same in this game? I guess we'll find out. Yep. Hey man, when you went to save, hit up the system screen. You get there by opening the sub screen with plus and then pressing how to get to the system screen. Okay. Oh, yeah. I better do the shield. Nothing. Okay. Oh, I know this. What? Oh, no. No. Move. Ooh. So you are the lad who owns the sword. Now I understand why the monsters are starting to act so violently. A courageous lad has come to wake the windfish. It is said that you cannot leave the island unless you wake the windfish. You should now go north to the mysterious forest. I will wait for you there. So wise. Okay, we got the sword. Damn. Just quick, got a sword and shield within the first 3 minutes. Fuck you, crap. An acorn. Welcome to Sally's House of Bananas. I'm Sally and this is my house. Actually, my hobby is collecting rare and unusual canned food. My brother is an artist, so I guess strange hobbies run in the family. I'm fine, and you? Oh, you are fine. Granny. Old man Ulrira. How to say? Please call outside. It seems that old man Ulrira is a shy guy in person. Oh, he's not talking. That's just like narration. It's just narration. Gotta get my narrator voice. I don't have a narrator voice. Oh, okay. You is. About some fish and I only charge you 10 rupees. Fine. Hold A and release the cast to your line. The longer you hold it, the farther you'll cast. You can tug on your line by moving out. If you're reeling in a hurry, keep tapping A real quick. You got this, little buddy. I don't know. I just feel like he got a raspy voice. You landed a little fish just like you. It's... That... Okay. Here we go. Hoo. You know when the owl turns up? You're going like... Hoo. Ho. Brave lad on your quest to wake the dreamer. Welcome to the mysterious forest. Much of mystery you will find on this uncharted Koholint Island. I'm afraid you may find it a trifle difficult to leave the island while the windfish nest. I feel like I'm doing a New Orleans accent for every character. By the by, have you ever visited the Tail Cave, which is south of the village? Go there with the key if you find in this forest. The windfish is watching. Oh. I feel like I'm doing a New Orleans accent for each and every character. Okay. As a raccoon, my nose is very sensitive to stuff. As a raccoon, my nose is very sensitive to stuff like dust and powder. I guess we gotta find some dust or powder. What the fuck? Double, darling trouble. A toadstool mix powder for tricks. Oh, bit. Run. Use your brain use. I could leave. I already fucked up, didn't I? Wait, think. Fuck up. Alright, whatever. Toadstool. What the fuck? Somebody tell me what to do, because I don't know what to do. Comment below, because I might end it here. Shit. Anyways, yeah, guys, this is gonna be a warm-up for Luigi's Mansion 3 because that's coming out on Halloween. yeah, I'm just kind of getting back into the flow of things. Hopefully by October 31st, Halloween, Luigi's Mansion 3 release date, I'll be freaking ready and amped to get going on this channel, you know, the YouTube channel. I'm ready and amped to get on the YouTube channel. Let's see. What the fuck? Alright, I know I gotta bring the toadstool back to that Toil witch hoe. And, I know that's what I gotta do. I just don't know how to get out of this. I'm no good at puzzles, okay? But why can't I move it one more time? Is Link just being a little bitch? Let me know in the comments below. We're saving, and I will see you guys next time. Welcome back to T Llama Vision once again. I hope you guys are having a great day, because it was a good day. It was a good Friday. I love you.